The circular flow diagram. In a market economy, there is a principle called the circular flow diagram, which is used to show the relationships between firms, the households, and the markets they both participate in. The households consist of labor, land, and capital, while firms consist of the goods and services. Land, labor, capital from the households supply the resource market, and the goods and services from the firms make up the product market. Firms acquire resources with currency from the resource market, which is supplied by the households. Usually, the firms pay wages or salaries to the workforce, which is supplied by the households. This process is done through the resource market. The product market is created by the demand from the households, usually in the form of goods or services, which the firms provide. Now let's put this in perspective. Let's take McDonald's for the firms and the workers and consumers for the households. McDonald's hires workers from the resource market and pays them wages. With the employees that McDonald's just hired, they can now make their products, which is food, and sell it through the product market. Now that the households have obtained money through their wages from McDonald's, they can now go back and buy the goods and services from the product market that McDonald's has now supplied. Another section of the circular flow diagram is not really used that much unless it's on a broader scale, is the government. The government regulates goods and services to make sure they're safe and sets minimum wages so the households can live comfortably. They also tax firms and the households so they can spend money for the country. And that's the sum of the circular flow diagram.